In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and troubleshoot your Google Drive downloads. First, let's talk about file and folder size limits. Did you know Google Drive can only compress up to 2 GB per batch? This means if you're attempting to download a large number of files at once, you might run into some snags. To navigate this, you can try creating a new folder and move a smaller selection of files into it. By downloading smaller chunks, the process becomes much smoother and more manageable. Next up is a quick tip on clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, accumulated data can hinder your browser's functionality, particularly when using web-based services like Google Drive. By clearing this data, you optimize your browser's performance, paving the way for a faster, smoother download experience. If you find your downloads still aren't proceeding as they should, you might want to disable certain browser extensions, especially ad blockers, download managers, or privacy add-ons can sometimes interfere with the zipping and downloading processes. As a workaround, consider switching to incognito mode or simply disable these extensions temporarily to see if your downloads proceed smoothly. A tried and tested solution is switching your browser or device. Google Chrome is usually the most compatible when it comes to Drive, but if you're experiencing issues, don't hesitate to give Firefox, Edge, or Safari a shot. If you're on a mobile device, using the Google Drive app might just do the trick as well. One helpful feature you should utilize is the Download All option. Instead of manually selecting multiple files, simply right-click on the parent folder and choose to download. Google will take care of zipping the folder for you, saving you both time and effort compared to manually selecting scattered files. Now, let's consider the reliability of your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial as any interruptions during the zipping process can cause it to fail. If you suspect this might be the issue, try restarting your Wi-Fi or tethering using mobile data to ensure stability during your download. Lastly, let's discuss file permissions. If you're downloading files you don't own, you need to ensure you've got the right permissions. If not, reach out to the owner and request editor or download access. Alternatively, you can make a copy of the files within your own drive by selecting right-click. Make a copy and then proceed to download from your own account. By following these strategies, you'll be well equipped to handle Google Drive downloads with ease. Remember, each step might be the key to solving a specific issue you face. Feel free to pause and revisit any part of this guide as necessary. Thanks for watching and happy downloading!